Kanopy is an e-resource provided by Cordova Library. It includes movies, classic movies, documentaries, great courses, independent films, and many items you can't find on Netflix. You can use Kanopy on a tablet, a phone, or on a smart TV. For a tablet or phone, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and find the Kanopy app. For a smart TV, just search Kanopy with a K. Once you've downloaded the app, it's time to get started. The first step to get started is finding our library. Click on the red Find Your Library. Once you start typing Cordova, the Cordova District Library will be your first choice. Click on the bold Cordova District Library. Now you'll need your library card number. Enter your library card number, and where it says Library Card PIN, it's the last 4 digits of your library card number. Final step, now you need to create your Kanopy account. Put in your name and email address and set a password, and you're ready to go. Welcome to Kanopy. You have 10 Play credits to use each month. It shows in the upper right-hand corner how many you have left. It's also right next to the screencast. Kanopy offers great courses. With great courses, you can learn about histories, humanities and scientists, learn a new hobby, adapt a new lifestyle, or gain new skills. Kanopy also offers Kanopy Kids. At the bottom screen, there's a More button. Click on that and switch over to Kanopy Kids. Kanopy Kids offers TV series, movies. You can explore math and science, hear stories from around the world, listen to classic tales, and have books read to you through the Storytime books. We at Cordova District Library hope that you enjoy this e-resource as much as we do.